everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox a Lookfantastic box. This is my first box of this subscription. So I actually started to subscribe in the middle of the month. So I received the box everyone else already received. So I'm sorry for that, but I thought I would unbox it anyway, even though you already can find these unboxings on YouTube. So we're just going to do this fast. I didn't have time to go and set up my other camera, so we're taking my vlog camera for this time. In this particular box you can actually see the products. You receive them in this little blue bag. It's so cute. So yeah, let's open. Very nice bag. At the first sight I can just say it's a lot of skincare products, but let's see. So the first is a cream from Polar. It's a sun lotion with high protection, 50+. This lotion helps fight against sunburns and premature aging. Invisible formula. Apply generously before exposure. Reapply frequently. Dermatologically tested, fragrance and alcohol free for sensitive and sun intolerant skins. Okay, so I do not have a lot of sun lotions, or sun protections in general, so I guess I would use this. And then we have a lip protection and care with argan oil and shea butter, SPF 30. So it's just a lip balm with some SPF. So I can already feel like they are putting in a lot of summer products. Oh, it smells really good. Okay, not bad. We'll use that. Then we have a Molton Brown London Coastal Cypress and Sea Fennel bath and shower gel made in England. Very cute bottle. I will probably put this on a shelf or something in my bathroom. Yeah, so it's just a regular bath and shower gel. You always need that. And as I said, very cute bottle and a good size. Then we have Everything Mask. The color locking multitasking deep conditioning treatment for every hair color. Josh Wood color, 30 ml. Okay. Apply to damp washed hair. Leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse. Avoid contact with eyes. If product gets into eyes, rinse well with warm water. Little size as well, but at least you can use it maybe 2-3 times. Not bad. Okay, the next product is Aroma Blend Moisture Mask from Shangri, I think. Spa Care System. Enriched with heavily rose water and professionally blend aroma oils. This hydrating mask quenches skin's thirst to keep your skin smooth and supple. I have a lot of masks already, so I guess getting more. I don't know. Seriously need to start to use these masks because I have too many of them. It's crazy. I know that a lot of people appreciate these masks, so that's good, I guess. I'm not really using them much, but if you do, fun. And the last product is a glove. Is it a hairbrush? I think it's a hairbrush. It looks like those oh, hair everywhere. It looks like the Tangle teasers, and I do not own one of those, so fun. And then we got this little letter to our lovely beauty box consumers. We hope you love all the products in this box. With everything that's going on at this moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital forms for the foreseeable future. Don't worry, we'll bring the printed versions back as soon as we possibly can. In the meanwhile, please keep an eye out for your beauty box emails, which will have links for you to click through and read the magazine online. Thank you for continued support, the Beauty Box Team X. Beauty Box Fantastic. And of course we got the little bag itself. It's very, very cute. So I think this overall is a very good box. You know, I really appreciate makeup, so no makeup in this one. But this is my first box, and I wasn't really sure if I was going to receive this box or the next one. And I saw this box online, and I saw that it was a lot of skin products, which I don't really need. What do I think? For the price, it has a lot of good products, and I will definitely continue to subscribe to this. If you want me to unbox these boxes, like my other unboxings with my regular camera and a longer unboxing, please like or leave a comment so I know that you want that. Because right now, I don't know if there is a lot of people who are unboxing this already, and maybe it will just be unnecessary for me to do that. But if you really want me to do it, I will of course do that. So it's completely up to you. This is a very short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell and turn on the notifications if you don't want to miss my future videos. And I'm sorry for my hair. It's so annoying when I parted it differently. But yeah, I'm going to work now, so see you in the next one. Bye!